Just this morning I was out here filming my other camera. Hmm. All right. Hello. How you doing? Hmm. She don't want to speak. Fucker. Little bitch. But anyway, unless she fucking deaf or something. Well, I was out here earlier before I went to church. Hmm. So, never mind all that though. Hmm. On my way to the lower night ward though. About to go. This playground is crowded over here. Huh. It's very much crowded over here. Huh. So, hope them suckers don't stay long. Huh. Cause I don't fool with nobody around here. Huh. Yes, indeed. There's some new people over here. Huh. All right. So, all right. Well, around later I would be that playground be crowded. You know. Huh. Put this thing on. Huh. All right. So I would let my niece play over here, but I wouldn't. Too much people are over here. As long as they don't have no damn violence or brawl happening out here. So very much crowded over here. All right. Right. Yep. Yeah, this playground be crowded over here. They're playing on that xylophone and stuff like that. So I'm due in the sixth one right now, but gotta keep going, you know. Yeah, that's some these folks playing basketball over here. Like get on the same club right here. At least I'll pay once instead of twice. Huh. Right. All right. He is having a soccer game over there. They is having a soccer game over there. But they're having a basketball game over there too. At the basketball court. I like this. Just like back in the days when some like in the project they used to be they had a basketball court in the Saint Bernard and then they had a basketball goal out and stuff like that. Being by a goal or whatever. Huh. Yes indeed. Sure love it out here. Well, my hometown, but ready to go explore other places, you know? Yep. Basketball court. Yep, they all playing basketball over here. Somebody coming? Oh, I heard a motorbike, but not sure what's what. You know, they having a soccer game over there. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see freely. You know, got to score. You know, you got to score. Yes, indeed. You know, so oh, oh all right. So anyway, I mean, everybody's exploring out here. How y'all doing? All right, so anyway, had to speak to the neighbor. That sign right there. Never mind that sign though. Okay, so all right, that's it for now. As I speak.